Hello everyone and welcome to the World Around Us podcast. I am Siti Rahma Alawiyah and my partner Tubagus Makan Ajima, and here we will discuss various interesting things that are around us.
We will dive into the variety of topics from problems faced in big cities such as congestion and pollution to tips and tricks for building the ideal home. We will also discuss about our favorite food.
In addition, we will also discuss about gadgets and how technology can help us in everyday life. In this podcast, we will exchange information, share experience, and learn together.
So, what are you waiting for? Just ask on the Word Around Ad podcast.
I'm curious about the main problem facing big cities today, which is one of the main problem is congestion. The ever increasing population and excessive use of private transportation make the streets in big cities become increasingly congested. This is causes air pollution to get worse and travel time is getting longer.
That's right. Air pollution is also a serious problem. Transport exhaust gas and industrial famous pollute the air and endanger public health.
In addition, big cities also often experience flooding problems. Inadequate drainage system and land use tanks are the main causes of flooding.
When? What is the solution to overcome the problem we are facing today?
In my opinion, there are several workable solutions, such as increase the use of public transportation. Maybe the government needs to provide convenient, safe, and affordable public transportation so that people switch from private transportation. Improve the infrastructure. The government needs to build better infrastructure such as toll roads, underpasses, and flyover to reduce congestions. Then implement stricter rules. Uh, Maybe the government needs to implement stricter rules against transportation exhaust emissions and air pollution, keeping the environment clean. People need to keep the environment clean by not littering and reforestation.
I think I agree with your opinion because indeed it must be resolved by involving various parties who must work together in solving it, but the government and the community themselves.
It's very right. When we discuss the problem of congestions, air pollution, and flooding in large cities, there must also be other problems such as private and public infrastructure, especially the construction of idle homes. What do you think should be considered in building an ideal home?
In my opinion, there are several points that are of more concern, such as selection of location close to public facility, workplace, school, shopping place, public transportation, and location that are not prone to disaster building design that is in accordance with the usefulness of residents, the number of residents, the budget on without ignoring local regulation, the quality of building material, use building material that are in accordance with existing standard energy efficiency. Use renewable technology to reduce energy use. such as device that has sensor and energy source, such as solar panel security, ensure a community away from harm prone to disease there and here.
It turns out that there are quite a lot that need to be considered to build or design an ideal residence.
Yes, there are in many factors that influence the planning of an ideal residence, and in the modern era like today, many people prefer to design their home with modern and futuristic concept as well.
I agree because I personally also want to have a smart home where most of the work at home is already technology based.
Talking about technology, how far do you think technology can facilitate your daily activity?
So far, I think technology has had a significant impact in facilitating various aspects of my life. For example, such as gadgets that help me to communicate, help to access information, and maybe to shop because sometimes I like to shop online. The most frequent things is to buy my favorite food.
What is your favorite food?
I really like grilled chicken, but unfortunately I can't eat too often because it's not good for health. What about you? What is your favorite food?
Talking about favorite food, I prepare pate fried rice, a simple food that I can make myself at home.
Yes, we should indeed have to consume food that we make ourselves to ensure hygiene.
That's right. Our discussion this time was very interesting, but it didn't feel like we should have ended your conversation.
It's a shame, even though we still haven't discussed it a lot.
But don't worry, stay tuned for us in the next video.
See you on the next video. Bye bye.